Welcome to another video of Java Under the Hood about arrays, the for loops. Now, for most of you, nothing new or difficult, but some people still struggle with the interpretation of the for each loop. In this class, consisting of only the main method, I use one array, numbers1. The array is created using an initialization syntax with 4 elements. Then I iterate through the array using a so-called for each loop. Inside the loop, I print the content of the array and increment the loop variable number. And this is what this demo is mainly about. Some people struggle with this. After that, I iterate through the array again, this time using a traditional for loop. In this loop, I print the content of the array and increment each indexed element. Finally, I iterate through the array one more time, just printing its contents. Now, pause the video for a while and try to predict the output of this code. Maybe some of you might be tempted to say that the output of the first 2 iterations is different, but that is not the case. Let's see what happens in memory when a for each loop is executed. The stack frame of the main method has already been set up. Then the declaration of array variable numbers1 and instantiation of the array. Then the execution of the for each loop. What happens when int number1 is declared in the loop declaration? Well, it is just another local variable that is declared on the stack. And at each iteration, number contains a copy of the at that moment corresponding value in the array. So during the first iteration, number contains a copy of the first element in the array, value 10. Then, when we increment number, we only affect that local variable and not the content of the array. Number then contains the value of 11. At the next iteration, number contains a copy of the second element in the array, 3, and so on. Okay, so to resume, the for each loop variable is just another local variable declared on the stack. Changing its content does not change the content of the array. Okay, I hope you have a better understanding about for each loops. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.